देख रहे हैं कलकत्ता हिंदी समाचार वार्ता 9/10।
नमस्कार, आपके साथ मैं हूं दिशा। कोलकाता समाचार वार्ता 19 में आप सबका स्वागत है। शुरू करते हैं आज के विशेष खबरों के साथ।
पिछले चौथा में वंदे मातरम मंत्र के 60 वर्ष अनुसार एक वर्णाढ्य आलोचना सभा का आयोजन किया गया। गोलपाग रामकृष्ण मिशन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कल्चर विवेकानंद सभागृह में, जहां पे एक उज्जवल सांस्कृतिक अनुष्ठान का आयोजन किया गया, जहां पे उद्घाटनकर्ता थे रामकृष्ण मिशन इंस्टीट्यूट के संपादक स्वामी सुपर्णानंद जी महाराज। इसके अलावा इस अनुष्ठान में उपस्थित रह के वक्तव्य पेश किए ट्रस्ट के प्रतिष्ठाता शक्ति माई दास। इस सभा में कई जाने माने पहचाने व्यक्तित्वगण उपस्थित थे, जहां पे ज्ञानी व्यक्तित्वगण में उपस्थित थे श्री नागथिहल्ली रमेश, जो कि कर्नाटक के महान कवि, चिंताविद, स्वल्पदैर्घ्य चलचित्र एवं संगीत एल्बम के निर्माता हैं। इसके अलावा सामाजिक राजनीतिक कर्मी एवं कर्नाटक के कृषिविद भी वो हैं। रमेश जी ने कहा, भारत में कर्नाटक एवं बंगला के ऐतिह्य को आगे लेके जाना है। अनुष्ठान में उद्बोधनी संगीत के अलावा और भी कई संगीत उपस्थापन किए कलाकारों ने। इस अनुष्ठान का संचालक थे सुनंदा हलदार मल्लिका राय और सुब्रत हाइट। इसके अलावा अनुष्ठान की व्यवस्थापना और संचालक की भूमिका में थे मिलन खमारिया। और भी विस्तारित जानने के लिए देखिए कोलकाता न्यूज 19।
Of Vande Mataram, what is already been held at the very important places of Ramakrishna Mission Institute of Culture, Golpar, on 4th May, already been held. And then the biggest program was there. Rameshji was the eminent person to have been felicitated there, and he gave a lecture, and etc. etc. And he has been very contacted with the very eminent persons. And now the coming program is it is a 1 year mega international literary and cultural festival is going to be held.
So friends, today we have with us a well-known poet, thinker, short film maker, social and political environmentalist activist from Karnataka, Nagathihalli Ramesh, and he was recently being awarded with the Vishwa Bharati Gitanjali Rashtriya Prastati Puruskar, which was the name in Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Sir, tomorrow is Ravindra Jayanti. It's a very auspicious day.
Yeah.
If you could share your thoughts with our viewers.
Gitanjali song offerings by my Acharya Gurudeva Rabindranath Tagore ji. Tagore ji, particularly this Gitanjali, my inspiration, my strength, and my divine also. And I would say Rabindranath Tagore ji Vishwatma, Jiva Jyoti hai, Divya Jyoti hai. Some ideologically, some minute difference between Mahatma Gandhi ji, Subhash Chandra Bose ji, and Tagore ji, Vallabhbhai ji, but their goal is one. Their path is different. Their goal is one. And according to me, first to Rabindranath ji wish, he has got hope and dreams. Subhash Chandra Bose to be the first Prime Minister of India. And I don't know, now I am knowing that too, after receiving of this Vishwa Bharatiya Gitanjali Prashasti Puraskar and that Sanman felicitation taken by Bankim Chattopadhyay's. I am studying something of the history of Congress. Some fishing is happening. Some doubts are there. Why genius, crystal peoples, and who struggled, who sacrificed to our freedom, how they disappeared from this soil. Some question is there with me. Some raising of some questioning. I'm not belongs to any party. I'm not leftist. I'm not rightist. I'm lefist. So, in this aspect, we have to carry Subhash Chandra Bose, Rabindranath Tagore ji, Arvind Ghosh, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Vivekananda, Mata Sharada Devi, to each and every corner of the people. We have to care, particularly youngsters and children. Because nowadays I am observing that we don't know the value of freedom. Here in Calcutta, some rich sources are. They have lived, they have given beautiful steps here. Paramahamsa, Mate Sharada Devi, Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chatterjee, Subhash Chandra Bose, like that, so many. Both experience, philosophical, spiritual, and freedom. Like that, we have to carry this, their messages, their thoughts, their dreams, their desire to our, especially younger generation, and particularly we hopes, because tomorrow's hopes is our children. We have to carry day by day. Janaganamana is not a song, it's our life. Vande Mataram is not a song. A Gita, Anantate, it's in infinity. Like that, Gitanjali also for us, Anantate. They inspired a lot of Kannada poets. Tolstoy inspired so many people. Rabindranath Tagore ji inspired so, even me, I'm inspired a lot. This Gitanjali is divine for me. It's divine, deep in divine. It's me. So, what I say to coming young generation.
देख रहे हैं कलकत्ता हिंदी समाचार वार्ता 19।